Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Experian account for new credit card reporting step by step clearly. To update your Experian account for new credit card reporting, start by visiting the Experian website. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, click on the option to create a new one. Once logged in, navigate to the Credit Reports section. Look for an option labeled Add New Account or Update Account Information. Enter the details of your new credit card. Make sure to provide the name of the credit card issuer accurately. Select the date when you opened the credit card account. Review all the information you've entered for accuracy. Once verified, click the Submit button to save your updates. Wait for confirmation that your changes have been processed. You may receive an email notification or see a message on the screen confirming the update. If you encounter any issues, seek assistance through the customer service options available on the site. It's important to check your credit report periodically for accuracy. Go back to the credit reports section within your account after a few days. Confirm that your new credit card is reflecting in your report. If it's not visible, contact Experian support for further assistance. Keep record of your updated credit information for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.